Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Sunday, October 20th, 2024. I hope you're doing well. It's been a minute since I've done a video, so I hope you all had a good summer and a good start to the fall season. I'm still marketing. People have been reaching out to me, asking me if I'm still marketing and, what businesses I'm still involved with. And I'm still doing all the same businesses. I'm still marketing. I just took some time off to focus more on my artwork. And of course, this time of year, it's super busy in the soap shop, throughout the summer season and then even going into the holiday season. So it's been a good break for me as far as making videos, and I really enjoyed focusing more on my artwork. But with that being said, I'm getting the itch to do more videos. People have been sending me all kinds of different opportunities, and I've been researching and looking for a new one that I can start promoting going into 2025, because everyone who knows me knows I'm all about multiple streams of income. And if I can find a good one where I can make some good money and, it's a good opportunity, then I'm all about it. So I'm just letting this car out here. So I found a new opportunity. Like I said, I've been researching for a few weeks now, looking at all the different opportunities out there, and a good marketing friend of mine shared this opportunity with me. I really like it. I talked to the owner, or one of the owners, and she has told me that they want to turn this into a legacy company, which I strongly believe they can. So it's always nice when you can get in touch with the actual owner and speak with them. I even got their cell phone number if I have any questions or need anything, which is always nice. So I'm not going to tell you exactly what this is. There's going to be a link below this video that you can click on to get more information. But it's a great opportunity. It's a product and service that everyone needs. It's a global opportunity. All right, so it's going to be available in over 150 countries. What else can I tell you about it? The compensation plan is absolutely brilliant, okay? It's absolutely brilliant. I know I said this before about other compensation plans, but whenever you find a good one, you always think it's the best. But this one there's a unique twist to it that makes it top-notch, all right? And there's nothing out there like it. You can literally earn your membership fee back on your very first referral. All right, so you refer one, your membership is going to be paid. There is a forced 4x4 matrix where you can earn additional income, and the compensation plan is awesome. They have you're going to get paid on your first and third referrals. All right, so we have a shared coded bonus for your pass ups. You're going to pass up your second and your fourth referral to your sponsor, but you're going to earn bonuses, matching bonuses on your shared referrals, okay? So it's just an amazing compensation plan, all right? And then after your fourth referral, so your fifth referral through infinity, you keep all of them, all right? And you're gonna receive those referrals second and fourth pass-ups to you, all right? So the power of four, we call it, with 4 people, and each 4 people that come onto the team can double your income. And, you can create a free account down below, and using that link, create a free account, get into the back office and check it out. Underneath the archive tab, there are some videos that go into the pay plan in more depth. There's a presentation video that goes over the entire opportunity. And I already have people signing up with this, all right? I just had a new sign up today. I just joined this on the 18th, the evening of the 18th, so I haven't even done any marketing yet. But we're gonna blow this thing up, all right? This is gonna be an awesome opportunity. It's a good chance to get in now. They just launched in May of 2024. That was like their pre-launch, and then they did a full launch in July, I believe, and then they added the 4x4 force matrix in September. So this is brand new. Like I said, it's a global opportunity. People are going to make bank with this, and the product and services you're getting are top-notch. Everybody needs them, especially in this economy, so it's worth checking out. One other thing I'm going to mention before I end this video, because I'm almost at the soap shop. I got to go over and do a couple errands over here at the soap shop. before tomorrow. But aside from the compensation plan, what I love about this, and I took a few notes, there's no unachievable ranks. Okay, so in fact, there's 0 ranks. So you don't have to get, you know, tied up in all this, you know, gold, platinum, silver. There's none of that. All right, there's none of that. Everybody comes in, everybody's on the same level, and that's how it works. So I love that about it. There's no personal or group volume. Okay, so you don't have to worry about auto shipments or anything like that, or filling, you know, certain volume requirements. You don't have to do that. There's no false hope of matrix spillover. All right, you can earn up to $1,000 extra a month in spillover. Okay, and we don't guarantee anything. There's no guarantee, but it's very simple to do with this 4x4 forced matrix. All right, simple to do that. And then there's no legs to balance, so you don't have to worry about, you know, any type of binary plans or balancing a left leg with the right leg. There's none of that. All right, it's super easy to do. There's no qualifications. There's no breakage. So if somebody decides not to pay their monthly membership fee, that person gets removed and it's compressed. All right, so there's no breakage in the matrix. There's no gotchas or hoops to jump through, and it's just a really awesome program. All right, so again, click that link down below. Check out the videos on the page. It's not even a capture page I'm putting down below here right now, as you know, as of today, Sunday, October 20th. I might put one in the future, but this is going to go directly to the business landing page. You can go through everything, check out the pay plan page, and then you can just go and create a free account. All right, if you don't join, you don't join, but you can create a free account, get into the back office, check everything out, go into the archive tab and watch the presentation video and look at the other videos that go into further detail about the compensation plan. And of course, reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, this is going to be a winner. This is something I'm going to focus on in 2025, and I hope you join me. So with that being said, it's great to be back here making videos. I look forward to making many more on this opportunity, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.